Here's how you're going to sneeze 100 times in a month. Ever felt like you're sneezing more than usual? It's time to take your sneezing game to the next level. 1. Allergy attack. Spend time outdoors during peak allergy seasons. 2. Pet pals. Cuddle up with furry friends. Just watch out for dander. 3. Scent sensation. Use strong perfumes or air fresheners. 4. Temperature shock. Quickly move between hot and cold environments. Spicy surprise. Indulge in spicy foods. Warning. Excessive sneezing may cause laughter, embarrassment, and a runny nose. Challenge accepted. Can you sneeze 100 times in a month?